In this video, we are going to answer the top 4 questions everyone asks about Python training. What is Python? Why learning Python is important? Why choose Apex TG India for Python training? Topics we will cover under our Python training course. What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted and interactive programming language with dynamic semantics. It supports a variety of paradigms for programming, including functional, object-oriented, and structured programming. Python is designed to be highly readable and easy to learn, as well as a powerful and adaptable scripting language, making it appealing for application development. Python is one of the most popular programming languages because it is simple to learn and effective for complex projects. Its clear interactive behavior and cross-platform support make it a great choice for server-side applications, web applications using the Django framework, big data analysis, machine learning, automation, mobile apps, and desktop applications. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum during 1985 to 1990 at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. Python is derived from many other languages, including ABC, Modular 3, C, C++, Algol 68, Smalltalk, Unix Shell, and other scripting languages. Its diversity of features, including multifaceted use due to the wide array of Python libraries to increased versatility. Its cross-platform support and extensive online community support, with a large Python ecosystem, have made it boast a gradual and relatively low learning curve. Why learning Python is important? Since Python is an interpreted programming language, which makes it easy for beginner programmers to learn than other languages, it has English syntax and was created to be short, clear, and simple to read and learn. It is the most sought-after programming language for data scientists, AI engineers, and machine learning engineers, and has no restrictions on the accessibility of resources and testing framework. Python offers several career opportunities and promises rapid progress and excellent income. Several significant and well-known companies that use Python for their development include Google, YouTube, Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, IBM. Why choose Apex TG India for Python training? A team of highly expert trainers leverages a defined methodology that helps identify opportunities and develops the most optimal resolution to provide the best Python training to every student. Placement Cell at Apex TG India actively coordinates with every student and ensures 100% placement assistance. Apex TG India also places students with excellent performances in various IT companies abroad. After the completion of their training, we provide real-world projects to students in coordination with the IT or development team. Topics we will cover under our Python training course. Python's core data types: numbers, strings, sequence operations, mutability versus immutability, type-specific methods, if statements, loops, lists, dictionaries, introduction to the OOPS concept, Django Python framework, Bootstrap overview, JavaScript overview, jQuery overview, forms, Pgame tutorials, game development using Pgame. Apex TG India Private Limited is located at E20, Sector 63, Noida. You can call us at 8588889597 or 9990060296. You can also email us your inquiry or any type of query on info@apextgin.com. Please visit apextgin.com for more information about all IT training courses we offer.